Space heater distribution, Silver City, New Mexico, October 28, 2021. With dropping cold temperatures, people with disabilities and the elderly are most at risk of suffering the negative effects of the cold. Thus, the Ability Center, in collaboration with the Kiwanis Club of Silver City, New Mexico, distributed space heaters to people with disabilities and the elderly. Unfortunately, demand was greater than supply. Yet, we are working to meet demand. For more information, visit us on Facebook or message us via WhatsApp at 575-210-5272. Or visit us at www.theabilitycenter.org. Thank you. Special thanks to Horace and John of the Kiwanis Club for their help.